Hi, this is Kelly from Patika Kelly and Play Learn Talk, and I know that I said in the last video we are going to be moving on to a new variation. However, I wanted to point out before we move on from this style, some additional features that you can add to your card. Okay, so over here you notice that I have added two new mini text boxes, and I wanted to point out if you want to do this, you can add this area to make it really easy for your user to keep tally of their matches or to name their team. Sometimes students are even more engaged when they get to name their own team. So for example, we could just call this team the Vampires, right? But it's open-ended, so our students can name it anything they want, okay? They could even put their own name there. Alternatively, we could use it as a tally box. So every time we collect a match, we can just, hit a little tally mark, and there's only going to be 4 matches total. But for some students, it's super motivating to see that they have collected their tallies. If I was using this for tally, I'd probably make it a little bit larger. So let's go ahead and jump into our workstation, and I'm going to show you how to put those in. So it's really simple. We're just going to grab a fill in the blank text box and drag it out. So you'll notice that it's kind of hard to navigate on this page. In the previous video, I recommended you doing an extra page and then deleting it later, right? But we can just do it on here for the purpose of the tutorial. So you want to make it smaller, and I would recommend keeping a little bit of transparency. We're going to make the background white, and then we're going to go over to item and just reduce the opacity so just it's a little bit transparent, just so we keep that background a little bit, okay? And then that's a little bit too much. Let's go ahead and duplicate that item, and we're going to move it over to the other side, okay? And you can adjust the font and the size and everything over here in this area like we've looked at before. So now we have the ability to type in those boxes. Okay, so that's just a simple trick that you can do. Another thing I might recommend is actually putting a drop zone over here as well. If you'd like to see a video on that, we can easily do that as well and have it so that we can bring our cards down here and maybe assign our items over here once they've been collected. So leave a comment below and let me know if you'd like to see a video on that or if you are ready to move on. Please make sure you're subscribed because I do post daily videos and I don't want you to miss them. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified as soon as I post a video, and I typically post every day at 12:30. All right, please give this a like and share it with anyone who would find it useful as well, and I look forward to hearing from you guys and seeing how you have done in this creation series. All right, bye you guys.